What's up, guys? It's your boy Yosa here. In today's video, I'm gonna make a little quick video of me demonstrating some good safety things I did in this little minute or two. And right now, I'm currently trying to get over in my rightmost lane, and I was in the leftmost lane. And I want you to realize and notice that I'm in my mirrors. I'm making sure that I'm using my signal light, and I signal before I get over. Well in advance, I say 3 seconds ahead of time. So if I know I gotta get over, I'm gonna put my signal light on like 3 seconds ahead, just in case a car behind me needs to know what I'm doing, because I feel like it's important for us drivers to always signal our intentions using our signal lights. I feel like it's so important, and I feel like it's preventing me from having an accident to this day. I mean, I'm gonna praise God for my blessings, but it is God, but also I know it's because I'm being safe and I'm using my signal lights. Signal lights save lives. Signal lights save a lot of things from happening. And I just want to make that clear in this video. Using your signal light is very important for us truckers, not only in our big trucks, but in our cars too, because it's communication on this highway, you know, and just in driving, you got to communicate to other drivers what you're doing. And not only that, you got to be a defensive driver most of the time. But I know I'm getting on a rant, but I just want to make that clear that I use my signal lights all the time, and I feel like that's also helped me not ever get into a wreck. And I'm blessed and humbled to say that. Like, I have not gotten into a wreck, but I do take driving seriously, and I feel like all of us truck drivers do need to do that as well, especially if you're looking towards getting your CDL. This job is dangerous. You know, people like to think it's just for the money and do it for the money, but it's a whole lot of responsibility driving these trucks, because you can kill somebody, you can hurt somebody, and you don't need that happening. But as you can see right now, another tip I want you to notice is if you go back, it was an exit ramp sign, and the sign said 45 miles per hour. And if you're driving these heavy trucks, it takes a long time to stop. So it's important for you to always look at your sign, especially when you merging and getting onto a ramp. And for instance, right now as I'm exiting a ramp, so I need to be making sure I'm slowing down my truck, because I see so many people or truckers, exiting too fast. Okay, and we don't need to be doing that. As truckers, we need to stay safe. With that being said, I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and you guys have a blessed, wonderful day. Bye bye.